How to create a character in Runway ML. Hey everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you're looking for a way to create a new character in Runway ML, then the process is quite easy, so let's get started. First thing to do is to open the Runway ML application or the Runway application on your smartphone and log into your account. Once you're logged in, go to the upper left corner and tap on this little button. From here, select characters. On the next page, you'll be able to see these characters generated. To create your very own new character, tap on the create character button at the bottom of the screen. Now, you can add your own character image. Tap on add character image and from your device's camera roll or from the library, select any character. I'm just gonna select myself as the character. Just choosing my photo over here. Now, right where it says Luna right now in my screen, tap on that. And then you'll be able to hear different voices for the character. Choose the voice.
Hello.
Hello.
And then click on use this voice once you find the voice for yourself. Name your character if you want. This is an optional. You can also skip this. And on the last field, enter what should your character know, some basic infos, which is also an optional. Just go ahead and write down your description. And finally, click on create character at the bottom. Now the image is being processed and your character has been generated. Tap on the character generated and then give camera access for the character so that you can talk with the character. Now, after you tap on the character, you can also speak with the character. It'll look like a video call being made with your character. You can speak your queries, communicate with your character, and that's it. That is how you can easily create a character in Runway ML. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.